How to enable gesture navigation on your Android phone. If you'd like to enable gesture navigation on your Android phone, you may follow these steps. So navigate your settings for that, open it up, and once you open up your settings, you will be finding these options on your screen. Now you need to scroll down to the given options and look out for the option called sounds and vibration. The settings may vary depending upon device, but you may just follow these steps. And then once you head over here, scroll through the given options and look out for this option called System Sound or Vibration Control. After you click on it, you will be finding Sound and Vibration section. Right under Vibration, you will be finding option called Navigation Gestures. So you just need to go ahead and turn this option, Navigation Gestures, and turn it on. And turn that navigation gestures for your sound. Similarly, for other gesture navigation, you can directly either search in your settings, search for gestures, and you will be finding other gestures, navigation gestures option. Look out for motion and gestures. After that, you can basically turn that options on as well from here and do so. Similarly, you can customize the gestures from here from TalkBack as well and do so. So yeah, you may follow up the steps if you'd like to enable gesture navigation on your Android device as well. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.